Hi guys, this is Rahul Prajapati. Very good morning to all of you and thanks for joining me at pre-market analysis. Fantastic month for Nifty, more than 5% move we have witnessed and all-time high for our benchmark index. Now, biggest question is that what we are looking for. Are we looking for 16,000 that Nifty continuing the previous trend and we are slipping from the level, these levels. So for that, we need to wait and see how Nifty performs specifically this month. Now, talking about Bank Nifty specifically, more than 7.5% move last month. And because of that, we have seen good movement in PSU banks and private banks. Now, Bank Nifty is still below the all-time high, so bit of underperformance from the Bank Nifty side. It's a bit of tough fight between bulls and bears between 35,500 and 34,500. Now, let's see what to expect from the market because we have a RBI policy this week also. So could be a volatility we are expecting from the market. Now let's see what could happen today and how the market likely to perform today. Now talking about the Nifty first, by looking at the OI, 15,500, we have a good build up on the call side specifically, and then we have 15,800 also. Highest OI is that as of now is 16,000. So that's a highest why we are looking for as of now. On the downside, we can see 15,400 added up almost 16 lakh shares on the put side, and same on 15,300 also. So that's a huge build up on these two particular strike prices. So we can see how we have a base building on these levels. So could be a bullish move we are anticipating. Now the first hurdle is 15,500 for Nifty. Now, talking about Bank Nifty, 35,500 is the first hurdle because highest why we are, observing at this level. Then on the upside, we can have a 36,000 level also. Downside, you can see 35,000 has huge build up on put side also. So that could be a support for Bank Nifty as of now. So level could be, you can expect 36,000 on the upside if market able to break 35,500. On the downside, 35,000 level is a good support for the market. Now, talking about the top gainer and loser last week, so Concor gained almost 14%, Zeal almost 11%, and PNB almost 11%. Now, on the weakness, we have seen BEL, Chola Finance and Torrent Power. These stocks almost 5 to 6, 7% last week. Now, major contributors to the Nifty last week was specifically oil sector, and then majorly another sector is IT. So these two sector supported last week Nifty a lot, giving the move almost 250 points. That's 2% move. Now talking about the sectoral buildup, again, as we have seen, oil sector is going up. So good buildup on that particular sector, specifically infrastructure and reality also show the good long buildup happening. Capital Group shows a bit of short buildup happening on these particular counters. IT bit of negative last session. That's for the last session we have. Now, pharma and long unwinding happening, cement and private banks, bit of short covering happening in these particular stock sectors. Now, the stock we discuss, as we have seen, Reliance moving 6% last, in last trading session, and we have a good breakout also coming on this particular stock. So, huge build up long side we have seen and fresh breakout. So, could be a stock for this week also. Now we have seen good movement and long build up also. Now talking from the perspective of OI analysis specifically. So stock is somewhere around, above 2100. So 2100 could be working as a good support level. We have seen a huge unwinding happening on 2000 call option. On the upside, 2200 is a good resistance level we can expect in the market. So could be this 200 points range. If market breaks 2200 could be upside move because that's a range for the Reliance from last 2-3 months. So we have to see that market, how this particular stock performs. Now talking from the other stock, Adani Enterprises, we have seen, short build up happening at the top level every couple of days, right? Last session, we have also seen a very good short build up on the future side and stock is, not moving up as of now. So it's a bit of range. So now talking from the OI perspective, on the upside, we have a highest wise 1400. Now downside we have 1300. So 1300, if Adani Enterprises be able to break this level, the stock can slip 50-60 points very easily. So on the downside we have 1200 levels. So this stock can be looked for a short side. Now talking from the FIIs, they are a bit on the long side last week. Talking from the stock future index futures specifically. And talking from the stock futures, they were again a good trading, but again on the neutral side. Now, talking from the stock in a ban, would be one stock we have in ban, specifically that's Sun TV, and PNB could be a possible entrant. Rest stock at lead because it's start of a week, so we have to see more trading sessions. Now, the key point that we've discussed, Nifty trading range could be 15,500 to 15,300. Max pain is 15,400 as of now. So it's the middle. Uh, Talking about Bank Nifty, 36,000 to 35,000 level. Max pain is 35,000. Sectoral build up majorly oil and infra. Short build up IT and capital goods the last session. Stock in focus Reliance. So now we can see 2,200 to 2,100 level on the discounter. Adani Enterprises 1,400 to 1,200 level. So a ban list could be Sunday. So guys, thank you. This is that's from my side. Thanks for tuning to the pre-market analysis. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a profitable day. Thank you, guys.